From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of sacrificing comfort for support in a hospital bed mattress? I know I was, until I discovered the Invacare Premier hospital bed mattress. This premium mattress is not just a game changer, it's a life changer, and I'm excited to dive into its features. The Invacare Premier hospital bed mattress is made of 100% polyester and features two independent layers, a unique single-piece U-core and contoured foam insert, which provides excellent patient comfort and optimizes pressure redistribution. You'll feel the difference immediately, as the mattress conforms to your body, providing superior support and pressure relief. The individual foam cells allow for superior patient immersion and pressure redistribution, reducing the risk of pressure injuries, and the high-density foam provides a solid foundation, ensuring the mattress doesn't sag or make any creaking sounds. This mattress is well reviewed by many customers who have purchased and experienced its benefits firsthand. One of the standout features of this mattress is its fluid-resistant cover, made of four-way stretch polyurethane, which is not only durable but also easy to clean, giving you peace of mind. The three-zone construction of the mattress provides appropriate support for the head, midsection, and foot sections, ensuring a restful night's sleep. Whether you're a healthcare professional or a patient, this mattress is a must-have, as it provides the perfect balance of comfort, support, and pressure relief, making it an ideal choice for patients who are at very high risk of pressure injuries. With its high capacity and premium grade materials, this mattress is better than others on the market, and I highly recommend giving it a try. You won't be disappointed. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.